Hi, on this video I'm gonna talk about my Omega Speedmaster Professional Hesolite version, things I like and don't like about it, and why it's on my collection. Now, I'm gonna start with the box. The box. The Speedmaster box is by far the biggest on my collection. Inside this box is the actual watch box and some accessories. Let's start with this. We have the strap instruction book for leather and bracelet. I also like that Omega also provided this booklet showing some photographs and info on previous lunar mission. These are the pictograms and warranty card. I also like that Omega recently made the warranty into 5 years. Now I'm gonna proceed to the actual watch case. By looking at this case, definitely it shows its premium quality. To open this, you need to unlatch these two. I took some photographs of this watch and I'll post it at the end of the video. Here we have some few items. A solid Speedmaster medal. You can use this as a paperweight. And here is a watchmaker loop. In this compartment we have a black NATO strap. We have the NASA Velcro strap, extra pins, watch strap removal tool, extra links and tag. I love what the Omega did to the box and case. Definitely it adds more to the experience having the watch itself. I wish they included a small carry case for travel. The watch itself is really good looking. In my collection, this watch serves as my chronograph. My manual wind movement, the bracelet and the deployant clasp are very solid. This watch is 42mm case size and it doesn't look big. I have a 6.5-inch wrist. I like wearing this at work, casual and formal occasion, as this doesn't grab too much attention. The only thing to remember that the Hesolite scratch easier than other crystal. I'll do another video in removing scratches on the crystals. I bought these pieces on the 50th year anniversary of the moon landing to our local authorized dealer for peace of mind. Trying to import this watch will require extra fees and taxes. Overall, I love the whole experience I get. every time I'm wearing this legendary watch. See you guys on the next video. Bye.